Did you know you could be destroying your health every single night without ever knowing it? Teeth grinding happens during sleep. Most people have no idea they do it, but here is what it silently triggers. Your sleep never reaches deep rest, so you wake up exhausted. Cortisol spikes overnight, keeping your body in a stress state. Chronic headaches build. Jaw inflammation spreads signals that put pressure on your cardiovascular system over time. Waking up tired every morning might not be poor sleep. It might be this. Talk to your dentist. Follow Healthy You for more.